Hi everyone, last one for today. We are on page 6 in your pink notes packet. We're talking about subtracting polynomials. Now you've already added polynomials. When we're subtracting, you use the same exact method. Just before you do that and combine your like terms, you have to distribute this negative sign here to everything that's inside your second set of parentheses. So what you're doing is when you subtract, you need to make everything after the minus the opposite. Our invisible math rules tell us that we actually have a -1 here that we could distribute to every value inside. So what it's going to look like is it's going to have everything in the first set of parentheses will remain the same. 5x squared plus 3x minus 9xy plus 14. Now we're going to distribute that -1 to everything inside our second set. Now we have a -12x squared, -6x, a +12xy, and a +8. So now we're going to go in and combine our like terms. Get our xy values. We see some constants here, and we've got one more term that we will need to combine. That's just our x's. So going through, I've got 5x squared minus 12x squared. And I have a -7x squared. Then I have -9xy. And I take a look over here, I have plus 12xy. So I have 3xy. 3x minus 6x, -3x. And then my constants, 14 plus 8. And I end up with 22, a +22. So let's write it nice and neatly. I have -7x squared plus 3xy minus 3x plus 22. And that is as simplified as I can get that to go. Let's try to get one more example in here together. I'm going to distribute this to everything inside. So I end up with 7x minus 10xy plus 3. That stays the same. Then I have minus 4x minus 2xy plus 8, because a negative times a negative is a positive. So I'm going to combine all my like terms. I'll start here with my -10xy and my -2xy. -12xy. Then I have 7x minus 4x. I have 3x. It's a +3. Then I have my constants, 3 plus 8, and I get 11, a +11. Write it nice and neatly. -12xy plus 3x plus 11. There you go.